Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be talking about how to install Oracle VirtualBox on Windows 10. So let's get going. So we're going to do three things. We're going to download the VirtualBox setup file from the internet. And then number two, we're going to run the setup file with admin rights. And finally, we're going to install and make sure the installation works. So let's get going. Okay, so first thing, we're gonna go to your favorite browser. It can be Google Chrome, Firefox, or anything. Then we're basically gonna go to google.com. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and type in VirtualBox download, or maybe just VirtualBox. And as you see, the Oracle VirtualBox website comes up. We're gonna go ahead and click on the first icon. And on here, we're gonna go ahead and click on the Downloads tab. Once you click on Downloads, if you're installing this for Windows host, Windows 7, 8, 8.1, or Windows 10, go ahead and click on Windows host, Mac users, OS X, Linux distribution, and the others. So for this, we're gonna go ahead and click on Windows host. So as you guys can see, it's downloading at the bottom left-hand corner. So as soon as it's done downloading, I'm going to be right back to go further along. Alright guys, so it looks like the setup has done downloading. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and start the installation process. So to install the VirtualBox base, simply click on the exe or go ahead and click on show in folder. And once you see that, go ahead and right click on the installation file and go ahead and click on run as administrator. Running as administrator, make sure it has all the rights to install anything that it needs. Okay, so go ahead and click on yes, and then we'll wait for the installation to start. Okay, I'm going to minimize this in the meantime. Okay, there we go. Installation is now starting. Go ahead and click on next. Leave all the options default. Let's also leave these options default. Go ahead and click on next, and it's gonna ask you to proceed with the installation now. So yep, install. And now it's gonna ask you for if it needs to install a network driver, NIC card driver. So basically it creates its own NIC card which works with the local machine, as you see right here. And in this case, we're gonna go ahead and say yes, install, and always trust. So once this process complete, and once we should be able to see the finish mark, and as you see, start Oracle VirtualBox 6.1.4 after installation is there. Now if we click finish, it's going to show us how to basically, it's going to load up the software right here. So as you guys can see, VirtualBox is now installed, and we can click on about here, and which will tell us the exact version and date type, or any kind of things that you want to know about this version of the software. Now, let's say, for example, if you have any other issues installing this software, then you may have to enable virtualization on a laptop. So let's say if you have an HP laptop, then just basically go to Google and type in how to enable virtualization on an HP laptop or Dell laptop, or maybe Lenovo or Asus. And once you type that in, it's going to basically give you an instruction. Basically, shut down your machine, turn it on, go to your BIOS setup, and there is a specific option in each BIOS to enable virtualization. So it may look something like that, how to enable virtualization technology. And basically all you need to do is go to your BIOS and enable that. And once you do that, then you should be able to go ahead and get this installation done the same way I did. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment sections below. Also, I'll be creating another video on how to install operating systems on this VirtualBox we just installed. So if you guys have liked this video, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Thanks for watching, and have a great, fantastic day. Bye-bye.